I'm Ashley Nielsen. Apply what you learn here and you will level up. I'm fairly sure that you already know door knocking is a numbers game. That's why you're here and interested in learning more about door knocking. You know that more doors mean more money in your pocket. And if you don't know that yet, I'm here to tell you. I've done the math, and the winning plan is always door knocking. If you stay consistent with it, you will earn more money in this game. The more often you hit the ground door knocking, the more money you'll earn. Simple as that. But you also want to know the best strategies so that you don't waste any time and leave any dollars at the door. This course is packed with every strategy I've ever used. It's unlike any course out there. I'm showing you exactly how I built my real estate game using only door knocking. Each module has various action steps, printable materials, or exercises to supplement the lessons. Everything I designed is to help keep you on track and on track with your goals. When you plan well, taking action is so much easier. So what are you waiting for? Don't be afraid to get started. Your goals are waiting for you on the other side of taking action. Okay, I get it. Door knocking can be intimidating if you're inexperienced at it, but that's why I'm here to teach you from experience. You'll learn everything you need to know in this course. You'll even learn how to face and overcome rejection at the door. So ask yourself this: what are you afraid of? If you're afraid of rejection at the door, I can help you with that. Or are you afraid of taking action? Your hesitation might be disguising as a different fear. Your fear of success. What would happen if you started taking action? What would happen if you met your goals? How would meeting your goals change your game? It might change your life, right? When you're avoiding something, it is important to ask yourself, why are you avoiding it? Think about it this way. Do you avoid small actions or decisions? No, but you avoid bigger moves and decisions. Probably. Why is that? It's because you know you're about to take big steps forward. That feeling is scary. Progress can be scary. Change can be scary. The fact that you're afraid of taking action is all the more reason to take action. You know those steps are going to help you and help you make big moves. People avoid taking action because it's the big moves and decisions that scare them. Are you afraid of making big moves in your real estate career? You know what I think? I think you know deep down that you're about to level up, and that feeling scares you a little bit. It's okay. It's normal to be afraid when you step out of your comfort zone. You've gotten comfortable playing at your current level, even though you dream about leveling up and out of it. So I'm here to challenge you to actually take the first steps to level up. Stop thinking about it, stop fearing the change, and just go for it. You are about to take some big steps forward in your game. It is going to be so worth it. You'll wish you'd started sooner. And if you're afraid of facing challenges as you level up, I'll show you exactly how to face those too. So right now, right in this moment, I challenge you to say game on and sign up for the course right away. Stop thinking about it. Don't let doubts and fears prevent you from achieving your goals. You can reach any level you want when you take action and you put in the work. I know you're gonna wow yourself with what you're capable of. This has been Ashley from Agent Renovation. Good luck in your real estate game, and I'll see you soon.